Okay guys, let's get started with this template. The first thing, when you download this file, you're going to have actually two files. This displacement map and the front image here. This is the image you want to open. These two always have to be in the same location, and if you want, you can download these instructions via PDF. With that being said, let's dive right into it. You bring this template up, and you're going to double click right here, and this is where you're going to paste an object, a piece of art with no background, onto this grid here. And you see I've got this art that I made for this exercise. I'm just going to pull it up and drag it into place, get it nice and centered on here. Now I'm going to hide the grid, and then when I close, which is Command W, it's going to ask me to save or don't save. I'm going to save. And then it's going to appear on the shirt. Boom, just like that. And if you notice, because of that displacement map, you get the natural look of the warping of the shirt that follows the wrinkles in the shirt. The next thing I'm going to show you is the color here. We want to click on this layer, and it's going to bring up in the properties this tint value here. When you click on that, let's say we want to go for a green. We're going to pull this in here somewhere. Let's go for even almost, yeah, right here. Okay, so the value of this and this should look pretty close. When it doesn't, you can go to the lighten and darken layer, and it's going to bring up this histogram here. This shows you where the color's at in the shirt, and it's all in the dark side of end here, and by adjusting these little handlers here, you can pull and tweak the color as you see necessary to get what you're going for in the end. It's just that simple. Also, there is a background that's just included in here, but at this point you can take and save this file as a PNG with no background, or you could paste a background somewhere below all these layers and then save it as a PNG, JPEG, whatever your needs are. Crop it down, and that's pretty much it. Enjoy.